Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Karina. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious caldo de res. It's perfect for this weather when it's so cold, perfect with some handmade tortillas, and also it's great if you have a hangover. So if you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. I've already set my pot on high heat with 7 quarts of water. Water is now boiling. I'm going to add 1 whole onion, 1 whole garlic head, and salt and pepper to taste. Give it a stir. I'm gonna start adding the meat. I'm gonna be using 2 pounds of beef marrow bone. I'm also adding 2 pounds of beef stew meat. And last, 2 pounds of beef ribs. Once it boils, if you see any foam that's forming on top, just remove it. Once that's done, we're gonna cover it up and cook the meat for 1 hour and 15 minutes on medium heat. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna check on the meat. And it is looking delicious. Okay. I'm gonna add the corn. I'm using 4 corns. I cut all my corns in half. And along with that, I'm gonna add 1 Anaheim pepper that I just cut in half and took out the seeds. This is just for flavor. We now cover it up and continue cooking for another 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes and now I'm gonna remove the onion, garlic, and the Anaheim chile. Now I'm gonna add 4 potatoes. I like to add them whole like this because I don't like when my potatoes overcook. So I'm adding 4. Just make sure you wash them very well. And I'm also adding calabacita mexicana. I like the ones that are like little balls because these, I don't cut them into smaller pieces. I just throw them in like these. Make sure the veggies are well covered. Now we continue cooking for another 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and we're now gonna add green beans. I'm using about 1 pound of green beans. And we push them down so they're well covered. And along with that, we're gonna add 1 whole cabbage. Add a bunch of cilantro and green onion. We push it down. Cover it up once more and continue for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our cocido is now ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat and now it's time to serve our cocido. It smells so delicious. I'm so ready to eat. I haven't had food, so. The calabacitas, you can see they turn a different color. These are just perfect. And now let's look for some meat. As you can see, the meat is just tender. It falls off so easily, but it's so hot. Time to serve. Make sure to get all the veggies. Some corn. This is a tricky part about this caldito because you really gotta dig in to get everything. We have some potato. The reason I don't cut my veggies is because I like to keep them more on the hard side, not overcooked. And then we'll just add some cabbage. It's ready to enjoy. And there you have it, delicious caldo de res. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some lemon. I am so hungry and it's been raining. The weather's just perfect for caldos. The meat, super tender. Cheers. I gotta blow on it because last time I burned all my mouth. This is so delicious. And the corn, so good. Pero todo está hirviendo. So I'll wait until it's a little less hot. But definitely need to make it. If you don't make it, you're missing out. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!